Toyota Safety Sense, or TSS, is an advanced suite of active safety features that has undergone several enhancements since its introduction in 2016. This video will provide an overview of how to adjust various settings for the driver assistance systems that make up the TSS 3.0 suite. Most of these are managed through the settings menu of the vehicle's multi-information display on the instrument panel, which is typically controlled through the directional switches on the steering wheel. Let's get started. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection is designed to help detect a vehicle, pedestrian, bicyclist, or motorcyclist, and provide an audio and visual forward collision warning. If the driver does not react to the warning, the system may provide automatic emergency braking. Drivers have the option to adjust the warning timing for PCS to one of three settings. To adjust the warning timing, select the Settings menu and press OK. Next, select PCS and press and hold OK to access the PCS settings. From here, select Warning Timing and press OK to change to the desired setting. Each time OK is pressed, the warning timing will change. Please note that when the pre-collision warning timing is changed, the emergency steering assist timing will also be changed. Additionally, when the latest setting is selected, the emergency steering assist, excluding the active steering function if equipped, will not operate in most cases. Finally, when dynamic radar cruise control is on, the pre-collision warning operates at an earlier timing, regardless of the driver's setting. Drivers can also opt to disable the PCS. To do this, select the PCS icon from Settings and then press and hold OK on the steering wheel controls until the settings screen is displayed. From here, select the PCS icon and then press the OK button. A prompt will appear on the multi-information display and ask to confirm before disabling the system. Select Yes and press the OK button one more time to confirm. An amber PCS icon will be illuminated to indicate that the system is off. The system is automatically enabled each time the engine switch is turned to on. Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist is designed to issue an audio or visual lane departure warning if an inadvertent lane departure is detected while driving at speeds above 30 miles per hour. If the driver does not take corrective action, the system is also designed to provide gentle corrective steering for lane-keeping assistance. Drivers have the option to adjust the system's alert timing or turn it off completely. Select Settings and then select LDA and press and hold OK. When the settings screen is displayed on the multi-information display, select LDA and then press OK to turn the system on or off. LDA alert types can also be adjusted from the LDA settings menu. Then select Alert Options from the LDA settings menu and then press OK to change to the desired setting for either vibration or beep. To change the alert timing, select Alert Timing and then press OK to change to the desired setting. Each time OK is pressed, the alert timing changes. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, or DRCC, is an adaptive cruise control system that is designed to be set at speeds above approximately 20 miles per hour. When activated, DRCC uses a camera and radar sensor to judge vehicle-to-vehicle distance to help maintain a preset distance from the vehicle ahead. DRCC or conventional cruise control can be selected by pressing the Driving Assist Mode Select switch. Pressing this switch toggles between the two cruise control modes. To activate, select the mode via the Driving Assist Mode Select switch, then accelerate to the desired speed, and press the Driving Assist switch to set the vehicle speed. To adjust vehicle-to-vehicle distance, when using DRCC, press the Vehicle-to-Vehicle Distance switch to toggle between the four following distance settings. The set speed can be increased by about 1 mile per hour in either mode by a single press of the plus resume switch, or increased by larger increments by holding the switch. Similarly, the set speed can be decreased by pressing or holding the minus switch. To cancel either cruise control mode, press the brake pedal or the cancel switch on the steering wheel. This will turn the system off but retain the last set speed in memory, enabling the driver to resume operations at that set limit by pressing the plus resume switch. However, pressing the driving assist switch when cruise control is set switches the cruise control off completely, erasing the memory of the previously set speed. When dynamic radar cruise control is enabled and lane markers are detected, Lane Tracing Assist, or LTA, uses the lines on the road and/or preceding vehicles to provide active driving assistance and help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. When LTA is activated, the Emergency Driving Stop System, or EDSS, is also activated. Additionally, LTA is active only when dynamic radar cruise control has a speed set. A quick press of the LTA switch on the steering wheel can activate or deactivate this feature. Automatic high beams are designed to help drivers see more clearly at night and operates at speeds above 21 miles per hour. The system is designed to detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and taillights of preceding vehicles, then automatically toggle between high and low beams accordingly. To activate the system, turn the headlights on or switch to Auto and press the automatic high beam switch. The high beams can still be activated manually by pushing the headlight lever forward. Low beams can be activated manually by moving the headlight lever back to its standard position, with automatic high beams turned off. Road Sign Assist, or RSA, is designed to detect speed limit, stop, do not enter, yield signs, and certain warning signs, and then display them on the MID. The driver has the option to turn the system off or on from the settings menu by selecting RSA and pressing OK. For additional RSA settings, select RSA from the settings menu, then press and hold OK. Proactive Driving Assist, or PDA, is available on certain TSS 3.0 equipped vehicles and provides gentle braking into curves as well as gentle braking or steering to help support driving tasks, such as distance control between the driver's vehicle and a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist. Drivers can adjust PDA's sensitivity within the settings menu. Select PDA and then press and hold OK until the settings screen is displayed. Select Sensitivity, and then press OK to change to the desired setting. It should also be noted that the individual features of PDA can be turned on or off as well. From the PDA settings menu, select Deceleration Assist, DA, Steering Assist, SA if equipped, or Obstacle Anticipation Assist, OAA, and press OK to turn the feature off. Finally, the driver can also select to disable the entire system. From the settings menu, select PDA and then press OK to toggle the system off. That's a quick overview of how to adjust the various settings found within Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Each Toyota vehicle may differ slightly, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific system information. To learn more about Toyota Safety Sense, be sure to visit toyota.com/safetysense.